So hey guys, in recent days we have seen a number of Galaxy S23 leaks which confirms previous speculations considering design and specifications. But we didn't see any news on pricing. Nevertheless, as the launch date approaches, a handful of rumors claims that Samsung may raise the price of its upcoming S-series flagships, and it appears that they were partially true. First, the Galaxy S22 sales reportedly fell short of expectations, so even though Samsung was faced with rising costs, it was unwilling to pass that on to customers for fear of losing them to Apple. Now, according to a recent Korean publication, prices would jump by 10 to 20% over the previous year. The company has apparently settled on a middle ground. Now, a recent leak has some new information to share on this topic. The good news is that the prices for the basic Galaxy S23 and Galaxy S23 Plus will remain unchanged according to report. That implies the 8128 Galaxy S23 will cost $799, while 8256 variant will cost $849. Similarly, the S23 Plus will cost the same as its predecessor, with the 8128 model costing $999 and the 8256 model costing $1049. Even while the S23 and S23 Plus are likely to include a new CPU, larger batteries, a new back design and a new selfie camera, most customers will not consider this upgrade significant, making a price increase challenging to justify. Thus, Samsung is making the right decision by maintaining last year's prices. However, the Galaxy S23 Ultra may be more expensive than its predecessor. The Galaxy S22 Ultra started at $1199 for the 128 gigs of storage. According to the leak, storage will begin at 256 gigs this year, which matches an early rumor, and the entry-level model with the 8 gigs of RAM would cost $1249 for the S23 Ultra. That would be a $50 price hike. The 512 gigs model will cost you $1349, while the 1TB variant may cost you $1499. Samsung seems quite confident that customers will be willing to pay a high amount for the S23 Ultra. Also, the new price will likely sting a little given the phone will also have more storage. So what do you think about this Galaxy S23 series pricing? Let me know in the comment section below. With that said, subscribe if you like, and I will see you in the next one.